Hi everyone, now I'm gonna show you on how to delete an unused Google account. First, click the Google app. Choose your account that you want to delete. Click this arrow to show your other account. Click Manage your Google account. Go to Data and Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and then you will see here, Delete your Google account. Click this. Don't forget to read carefully before deleting. All the data that you used from this Google account will be deleted. The Gmail, the YouTube, calendar, and the Google app plays. And if you really want to delete this, click these two boxes and then delete account. And that's it. Your account was deleted. Go to your settings just to check. Then scroll down and look for accounts. Click this accounts and then remove account. And that's it. It will be deleted. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.